supervisors and our maintenance crews and our custodians are doing the absolute best they can to maintain their buildings and keep them running to the highest efficiency that they can with what they have to work with.
So typically a cast iron boiler you can get 30 to 40 years out of. Ludlow's gotten 50 years.
Our heating system is out of date, and there are classrooms that are either very, very warm or very, very cold. Teachers refer to it as Alaska or Hawaii, depending on the time of day and the time of year.
The Mount Holly boiler is right at the end of its life expectancy. It's 30 years old, but Mount Holly has no backup.
That's a real worry when the furnace goes down. How do we keep the pipes from freezing, and how do we keep school in session?
We did a statewide audit that the state of Vermont requested, and we ranked in the top percentile of end of useful life for major components.
I see facilities that have really done the most with what they were given. They've extended the life of their systems really past probably what they should be. And I see a lot of people that really care, that have made these places that are kind of falling apart to be really successful schools. But the actual space and the needs and how schools function today, the schools really just aren't set up or prepared for 21st century learning.